I said, well, the breaker didn't trip. So that's good. All right, guys, back out at the house again today, and gonna work on closing these up. At least we don't have as much time today. It's a Sunday, so we had church this morning, and you know, by the time we get the girls home, get Isabel down for a nap, and all of that, you know, it's 2:30 now, so I've only got a few hours of work, but we're gonna see what we can get done. So let's get going.
Daddy.
Yeah, bud.
I didn't know you were in here.
You didn't?
No, I didn't.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't see you come in here because I was coloring.
Yeah.
You wanna see? You wanna come see my color again?
I will when I'm done.
When
Okay.
I come in here.
I would rather you didn't really stay. You can stay right there if you want to.
Right here?
You can come right there, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. floor in here?
It just is, baby. I don't know.
So we can fix this. I
think they just use it as storage.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Well, why is the vacuum in here?
Because I was cleaning
Cleaning what?
all the dirt and dust and stuff that's on the ground.
Did I try it?
No, not right now, okay?
Daddy, how did you fix the light so fast? Where do we turn the light on? Oh.
Right on the other side. Leave it alone though, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it alone. What's this? I found this on the floor.
Well, put stuff down. Don't be touching anything, okay?
I found this on the floor.
Okay, don't be touching anything.
Okay,
Put it down. Don't be touching anything, okay? Because there's some stuff in here that could, I don't know what it's made of. And I don't want you to be disturbing any of the drywall or the insulation. So, just in case it's made of like some old stuff that could hurt your lungs. And would hurt your breathing. So, I want you to just be careful, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this off.
How could it do that? How do you go to light?
I have my light on my phone, bud.
Why? I can still see.
Yeah. 'Cause I got my light on my phone.
Park my suitcase in here. I'm gonna park my suitcase over here
Okay.
so I can see and look. Switches. Clothes on. Daddy.
Yeah, bud.
Daddy, when are you gonna be done?
Here in just a little bit. Probably won't be that much longer, okay?
Love you.
I love you most.
See you in a little bit.
Okay, baby.
What did you turn?
So, well, the breaker didn't trip. So that's good.
Flashlight off.
No, it's on. Here, go that way. Can you grab a suitcase?
Yeah.
We're gonna go in here and check these. Excuse me.
Here you go.
Alright. So we're gonna run in here. We're gonna check these. Make sure we got proper voltage.
Are you gonna go in there again?
Maybe in a minute.
Okay. Hey, where's, the things they had, the red and yellow, where they at? Where's the things that are red and yellow? The little ones?
Just a moment, okay?
The little red and yellows? The little red and yellow? Oh, I see them. How were they right there?
Oh, the wire nuts?
Yeah, these.
I gotcha.
Why were they right there?
Have electricity. Oh boy. All right, guys, and just like that, we are out of time. I feel like we got a fair bit done today. I got all of the outlets and everything wired up and tested, and we have power on the second floor, so that's nice. I know the drywall looks like crap, but you know, I figured I'm gonna be floating, I'm gonna mud and then basically mud it out, feather it out both ways on every one of these. So I'm not too worried about, I know it's gonna be extra work, but I was trying to avoid having to go and purchase extra drywall. So trying to do this kind of on a budget, which I know drywall's cheap, but either way. Got one more piece that I need to put in right there. I have that at our other house, so still don't need to buy anymore. I actually have mud as well, so hopefully we can do all of this with stuff that we already had, so that'll be nice, at least this room. The only thing left is the lights, so I'm going to be carrying all of those wires out, or at least what I can. And I'm sure you've seen some of me just taping wires up and pushing them back into the wall. That's because all of those circuits are going to be removed, and I'm rewiring everything from scratch. So anything that's going to be live is going to be new that I put in. So I just don't want to leave anything to chance with all the old stuff. So so that's where we're at. Next steps are going to be obviously the lighting circuit. At least want to get this room, and if anything, I'll do everything up to this room and then stop it up in the attic in a junction box that I can tie into and move forward with it onto the next room, and you know, kind of work on that in sections as I do the rooms. But after that, all it's going to be patching these two holes up, and then wiping walls down, priming, mudding, sanding, priming, painting. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. So yeah, if you guys want to follow along, subscribe. If you like this video, like it, and yeah, thanks for following along, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya. Poor girl came to work on the house with Dad while Mom stayed home and sewed, and she's all tuckered out. How you feeling, baby?